Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CA Single Tax Guide. After a long gap, I am back again and I will be regular in future. Recently, Kolkata Bench of Income Tax Appellate Tribunal in a recent decision in the case of Nadia District Central Cooperative Bank Limited versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax in a judgment dated 15th January 2025 in ITA 763 KOL 2024, which has been reported in 123 ITR 178 Tribunal, has held that the issuance of notice under section 143(2) is necessary to assume jurisdiction to make a scrutiny assessment. CBDT has issued a circular number 225/157/2017/ITA2 dated 23rd June 2017, which has been reported in 248 Taxman Statutory page 13, wherein it has been prescribed that the most important notice under section 143(2) has to be given in the format attached to that circular. In case the ITAT has held that in case the notice under section 143(2) is not given in the format as prescribed by CBDT, the said notice is void ab initio and the consequential assessment order also is invalid. In arriving at this conclusion, the ITAT Kolkata bench has relied on its two earlier decisions in the case of Srimanta Kumar Shit versus ACIT dated 19th November 2024 and Shiv Ghosh versus ITO dated 29th November 2024. Normally, nobody reconfirms the notice received under 143(2) from the regular assessing officers of the faceless unit with the language given in the said circular. On comparison, in my client's cases, I found that most of the notices under section 143(2) were different than what had been prescribed by CBDT, and this can be a good ground of appeal in case you go for an appeal that the notice, basic notice to assume jurisdiction is invalid. In the end, I request all of you to kindly subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the future communications immediately. Thank you.